There we go guys, shout out everyone, welcome to Chef Mike Vlog. For this video guys, mag-grill tayo ng grilled Arctic char with marinated in herb oil guys. Serve with balsamic and soya sauce, share to me the place. Right? So yan guys. Yan na, yan o. Mainit yan guys. Yun. Trixie? Trixie, hi Trixie! Yan guys oh. Oh, yan. Yan lang guys. Mag-grill lang sa carrot. Marinate nyo guys ng herb oil. Yung herbal oil natin is composed of ingredients of garlic, rosemary, thyme, parsley, green onion, and oil. Wow! Baka narito yung future mo. Yan guys. Yan guys. Aangas ito guys. Arctic char. Charot. For lunch guys. Para sa Alaska dito. Entertainment. They are shooting movies here guys for Netflix. Oh, yan. Marami pa tayo gawin guys. Ang buwan. Yan. Saka ito yung ating mask potato guys. Yan. Naka-stay sa loob. Yan. Rational yan guys. Parang akala mo, pwede ka maligo dyan, mag-step back. Tanggal nga lang yung balat mo guys. Luto ka pa. Right? Just kidding. Bye-bye. Marami tayong regular guys. Ito na nilagyan natin ito ng salt and pepper saka lemon juice. Right? Okay. So don't forget to like and share my video guys for more videos and more fun. Right? Okay. So good din guys. Habang na nagwang